Hi, I'm Russell Gonzalez,
I'm Jay Christopher.
and we are going to discuss the problem na binigay ni Ma'am. Yung problem sa number 1 is, babasahin ko na lang para matawa. Yung problem pala sa number 1 is, what is the electric field at the distance d? So yung ito pala yung equation na gagamitin natin sa number 1. Electric flux equals electric fields times A cosine theta equals dito ipapakita na yung equivalent ng area sa kanang cosine. Electric field times 4 pi r squared times cosine theta. Dito i-cancel na yung cosine. Then ito na yung kakalabasan niya. Ano ba yung equals charge 4 pi summation r squared times 4 pi r squared. Dito kinancel yung yung 4 pi r squared para makuha yung tawag dito para ito na yung ito na yung solution, ito na yung kinalabasan ng okay na po.
Sa akin naman, number 2. What is the electric flux on the surface of the cylindrical Gaussian surface perpendicular to the plane? Para makuha yung sagot, ito yung equation niya. Electric flux equals to electric field D1 plus electric field D2. Para mas simplify siya, electric field, total ng electric field equals to ED1 plus ED2. Yung simplify answer niya is test charge 1 charge constant over D1 squared plus test charge 2 charge constant over D2 squared. Ayun na yung sagot niya.
3. Yung question sa number 3 is, what is the electric flux on theta, the flat top of the cylindrical Gaussian surface? Ito nga pala yung yung equation.
Kita pa rin.
Dito tayo.
Electric flux equals to electric area equals to ito. Basta ito OA over summation. Ito lang yung sagot niya, simple lang. Electric field equals to O over summation. Ayun na.
Ayun na po, okay na.
Lahat pa.
Thank you.